here is the party decoration Canva frames. Of course, the first page has all 9 different frames, and then you have individual balloons and banners on each page. Okay, so let's see. The first page, if you just want to drag and drop something, is very simple. Just drag onto your frames that you want to use. I am using the bonus pattern to for as an example, but the individual one I find easier to use, especially when it comes to multi-layer frames like this one right here, where you have one big balloon, you have a little bow, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little polka dots, you can say, that you can use for photos or just change the colors, or put in videos. So in this case, what I like to do is I could just put in my pattern, right? Let's see, I'll do this. And then I could add some photos maybe. But if you look at the photos and you put them in, they tend to be very, very tiny. Of course, you can also make the balloons and everything bigger. However, if you find that you have too many circles and you want to use them as little cute little photo frames right here, you can ungroup this and just click on the frames that you don't want to use to get rid of them, and then you make these a little bit bigger. Now you could actually just have one polka dot, so you can have some bigger, some smaller. Remember, these are frames, so you can actually resize them as big or, well, the small, you can only go so small. You can't go too small, just that much. And then you can kind of just play around with the sizes and put in, these are cute for, let's say, first birthday. And you can also make some with different patterns. I don't recommend that particular pattern, but you know, let's try this like that. Okay, and then once you're done, and here's this one. Great thing about frames, your own custom frames, is you can put whatever you want here. You could just make it as funky as you like, so I'm going to do that. And once you're done, I recommend grouping them together like this. So now they're nice in one piece. So now you can just either copy and paste it onto a new canvas, a new blank page for your project, or you can go and do download and save as a JPEG. And remember, if you want to save it as a PNG with transparent background, you do need to have the Canva Pro, which is a paid subscription, and you can also get it a 30-day free trial. Just remember to cancel it before they start charging you. Okay, and then just download. And that's all you have to do with these frames. Very, very simple. Okay, let's go back here. Drag your pattern, and remember, if you want to make this pattern bigger, double click on the photo, and then just drag them out and move them around to where you want the pattern to show up in your frame.